Hello everybody, this is Sonya. Now I've come on here today because I want to show you what I'm going to be putting in the little fabric parcels. Now they're not little fabrics. I was going to cut them all 6 by 6, but I can't do that. I've just cut them and ripped, and it's taking me 2 hours to make 2 parcels. So if there's 2 ladies asked about them. If you don't want them because of the price, just tell me, but it's got the shipping added in because the shipping is not cheap. And if this is 130 grams of fabric, there is 30 pieces in there, and I've got $20 shipped, and that's me paying for the postage as well. Now, I don't know what size envelope I can get these into because I've made them a bit bigger. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Maybe I should have made them little, but I'm not going to sit there and cut up tiny bits. So if you're not happy with the price, well, I'm so sorry, but it's going to cost me probably 7 or 8. I don't know. It just depends if I can get it in a fat envelope. But anyway, I'm going to show you. I'm not trying to make heaps of money. I just wanted to pay for the shipping and you know, get a couple of dollars for me hard work. I'm like dreadful. Okay, so I'm going to put these pieces in for you. There's a piece of this, look. It's a machine embroidery, but it's really nice, isn't it? You know, and you can use it on something. Maybe I'll just take this out a little bit, okay? So that's going to be in both of them. I might have to, I don't know if I'll go through both of them because they're both pretty much the same. I've got this double. It's a nice piece of scrap quilting fabric. This one here is folded over. I've folded them because I pressed them. I'm sorry about all the strings of thread. They're not extra or anything. I've got this piece. It's double too. I've got these that got some flowers on. I don't know. That's a double piece. This one here is doubled over as well. That's so each piece. Okay, so these ones here, there's 4.5, and that's double over, so that's 8 by something. Okay, then I've got that bit that's got a few flowers too. Then I've got this one here that's doubled, and that's about 8 inches by 4. This one here is not doubled, it's a very thin one. This one here is like I used yesterday. It's not a very thick fabric either. This is a strip, and this is only like, there's 2 pieces here. I don't know if I counted that as 2. I think I counted as 1. This one here is doubled over. So it's a good sized piece. I need to go out a bit further, do I? This one here, these are bits that I've added in because I've got the other here that I was using yesterday as well. So I put some of this in. I really like that stripey, and it's like a calico weight sort of thing. I've put this little patch work piece in, and that piece there too that came off a bit of patchwork. I've got this nice piece here, and this one's doubled as well. This one here is doubled over. I just tore and cut. I couldn't measure. I'll be there all day. This one here's a double piece. So in reality, you're getting twice as much as what I said you would be. Like I was going to do them 6 by 6. Now this is a double piece as well. This is that really thin retro piece, and there is a couple in here of those. This one here is doubled over too. Nice piece of cotton. There's another retro-y piece. When I say retro, it is old like me, or older than me. Older than me. This is a piece that might have been a bit of pillowcase. Here's another one. It's pretty. There's another pretty piece. Another pretty piece. Another pretty piece. This one here is doubled over. It's really nice. But these are all, you say you could make little journal covers, you can make a purse. There's plenty here to make something out of if you don't just want them to put together, okay? And I know that they're not all coordinating here because the way I've sorted them out, but you can sort out which way you want them. Now this one here's a really nice cotton, like a, what do you call that when they do the... Anyway, they've tie-dyed it. There's something written across the side there. I don't know what that says. I can't see what that says. It might be somebody who made it a piece of work. I don't know. Okay, so the piece of fabric, I've got a nice piece of that. This one here is a piece like I used yesterday. Bits off of that. Here's another one, doubled over. This one here's doubled over. I've got a nice blue piece, and in here also will be a kookaburra from Australia. Okay, now so that's that one, and that is $20 shipped. So if I have to send it to the USA, which I'm going to be sending one to Debbie if she still wants it, she doesn't have to take it. But I wasn't going to cut them down any further. You know, I just didn't want to do that, and it took me way too long. A lot of them were already the size that they are. So that one there is going to be pack number 1, because I think this other one might be a bit different. P1. So there's Debbie and another lady, and if you want it, whoever asked me for which one first can have whichever one they like, but they're both pretty close. Actually, I didn't count them, did I? Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and a bird in the... There's 31 bits in that one. That's okay. We don't mind if it's not exactly, do we? More's better. And this is going to be parcel number 2. Parcel number 2. Okay, so it's got the piece of embroidery as well, machine embroidery. I didn't do that, machine did. Look, it's that good you can't even tell. That's the back. It's like on a sheer fabric, so that's going to be in the parcel. Okay, so there's the pink again, that piece of pink. These are doubled over. This one's not. It's got frilly bits running off it everywhere. I'm sorry I haven't got time to pick them off there. It's not very good. I'm terrible at this. A lovely, great salesperson, me. That's doubled. This one's doubled. Another double piece. I don't know, maybe they are the same. They're pretty close, aren't they? So I think there could... you've seen them all in the last pack. Oh, this one's got a different 2 patches in these. There's a different sort of patch on them ones. They're a strange, they're soft, sort of softy feel. That's a nice piece. That's doubled. That one there's doubled over. Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing here. Sorry. This one's a double piece. That one's double. So if I cut them in half, there'd be 60. No, well, maybe not. There's a double bit over there. There's that piece off the bit I did yesterday. There's another piece from yesterday. There's a green and a... Some of these are not very well ironed either, I must say, because I didn't really, you know... I'm not a very good ironer. Double, that's double, that nice heavy piece, that's double. So some of these are not, like, really expensive. Well, you don't know what they cost in the first place, but I'm not saying these are really expensive fabrics, okay? So don't, you know, probably people did cost them the money one time, but it's, you know, it's nice to have a bit of something interesting though, isn't it? Different for your collection. That's doubled, that's doubled. That one there is. I don't think that one's in this one. I don't think it is, because I was putting together and I think I might have overdid one or something. I don't know. This one here's polyester cotton, but I love the thing, you know, the feel, and it goes really nice with this, doesn't it? These would be really nice for appliques and things. And this one also has a fairy in it. Pictures with a little angel, or fairy sitting in there, and a koala bear. And that one there will be the same price, $20 shipped. And I'll put my PayPal thing on the description, because if I sell these through Etsy, I won't end up with any money. I know that's not nice, it's not funny either, but if I sell these, and say for example they did cost me $7 to post, or $6, or even $5, then they take about $4 off me besides that. So I'm not going to end up with hardly anything, you know, because they've changed something's going on which, you know, I can't afford to do. So I've still got a few things in there. Now I'm going to show you a couple more bits that I've put together if people might want these, because I've had these for a while and I haven't used them, so I'm not going to keep them because I might not use them. Now this one here is dinosaurs. All right, there's all dinosaurs. I don't mind a dinosaur, I suppose. Exactly my cup of tea. This one's a nice piece. It's a good size. It's that's over 30 centimetres because we've got one dinosaur there, one dinosaur there, one dinosaur there. Okay, or you know, they're sort of squarish sort of things. Anyway, so that's that bit. This piece here has got a, whatever that says, upside down, Bryonyx, whatever. And this has got a Tyrannosaurus Rex on the other side. So that's that piece. There's this other one, it's got, whatever that says, it's upside down, I can't read it. I probably wouldn't be able to read it if it was the right way anyhow, to be honest. Some people, kids love these things, I know. Some kids love them, and if they'd make a nice something or other, you could put them together and make something, you know, sew them up. This has not been ironed, so that's a, I'm just telling you now, it's not been pressed. I suppose I could press them. So, and there's that, so there's more here. There's this one. There's actually, with this piece and this other piece here, you're getting close to making a cover for a bed, I think. That one there, he's pretty cool colour. I like him, he's a nice colour. And this other piece here, and they are all, these longest ones are over a foot, or how many centimetres is that? 30 centimetres plus 20 maybe? About 50 centimetres long. If that's not right, I'm sorry if I made a mistake. I'll have to say that that's just my bad measurements, but you can see how long they are. They're not very... and then there's this piece that's got them on a little... so this piece here is probably the size of a fat quarter, I'd say. It's... I do like inches better. So you've got 26 plus 42 inches long, that way, because that's doubled, okay, by 12. Alright, so this is 42 by 12 inches, which I'm sorry I can't tell you in centimetres, so, but that's going to cost... Oh, with this piece too, there's another bit with little dinosaurs. Well, that's a different sort of one, isn't it? Nice. And this, that'll be $20 shipped. Okay, so there's that one. And then there's this one here. See, these ones here are getting heavier too, which I'm going to have to try and post. I'm going to try and poke them in a packet that'll fit through the thing, you know, so it'll be cheaper. I don't know how I'm going to go, but it just depends if any of you ladies from overseas want to buy my $20 shipped is still okay. I don't mind. I just, anyway, we'll see how we go. Maybe nobody will want them at all. So we've got frogs. We've got frogs. I like frogs, but I'm not going to make anything out of frog things. I'm sure I won't. I have a large collection of fabric, so I decided that I would, as soon as I did them others, I thought I might have a go. So this is, the length of this is like a ruler, a bit more than a ruler. Yeah. Probably 30 centimetres or 34 centimetres, no, 30 centimetres, a bit over 30 centimetres by whatever width the fabric is, but it's missing that a square out of that corner there, see? And it's the same, I think, it's probably 45 inches. 26, but there's a missing bit, so it could be 45 inches plus a missing piece. Okay, I did my best. I measured it to the best of my ability. This one here's got dogs on, and there's little dogs and there's little bones, and it's, isn't that nice? It's a nice little piece, isn't it? I do like that piece, but I won't make anything out of it, because for the reason being, this is not my colours at all. Now, I have got here 1, 2, we'll say 2.5 foot, okay, by 2 foot. say, much more than that, okay? There's much more, 2.5, yes, so there's probably a metre of that. There, that's a nice one. And then with that, I'm going to also put this beautiful one. I've got some of this I kept for myself. Look at the little animals. Isn't that beautiful? All over animal prints. It's because it's at motorfabric.com. It's but anyway, so that is the length of this would be about 40, nearly 40 centimetres by. It goes across this way, 1, 2.5 foot. That's a way to measure something, isn't it? And that's going to be $20 shipped as well, okay? Now, so I'm just going to put them onto there for you, and that one, what did I do with the note for this one? It's got to be a note for that one. I did have it here somewhere, didn't I? So, there's the dinosaurs. I wonder what I did with that piece of paper. Oh, Sonya, I've got those two there. So we can just put these as animal ones. Animal ones. Okay, so that's what you, if you want that. And this one's is dinosaur ones. And I don't know what I did with my piece of paper for the dinosaur ones. Come on, I've got to tear another bit of paper, Sonya, because you can't find it. It must be here somewhere. Anybody see it? It's probably sitting there looking at me. Right. Dinosaur. Don't suppose that's how you spell it, is it? So this one here is $20 shipped. Okay. So all you have to do is, I'll put the thing in the description box, my email and my PayPal thing. Can you email me first? Then I'll give you my PayPal information, and then you can, if you want to pay, if you want to buy them, and then we can pay through PayPal. There's the option of bank deposit, but I'm not real keen on that idea because there's a lot of mucking about. If you just pay through PayPal, that'll be good, because I'm not going to do it through the Etsy thing. So anyway, so let me know if you want any of these, and I do. Well, I hope they do. You just do, because I'll just have to keep them for a bit longer, won't I? Okay. So thank you everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.